Hey guys, Tanisha Coffee here, and we are continuing on with the Build With Me series. And I am going to show you how you can apply a demo page to a new page in your WordPress website. So we are using the Avada theme and specifically the Avada Classic demo. And I'm going to show you how you can build a brand new page using one of the demo pages. So what we're going to do is we are going to go down to Pages over here on the left menu. We're going to click Pages and we're going to choose Add New. So this is what the WordPress page editor looks like in general. All right, we actually, I like to build in, you can choose, you can build in this. This is the basic WordPress editor if you like, but you don't really have very many options. You can't really trick pages out too much with this. So I rarely use this anymore, if at all. Instead, you can build in either Fusion Builder or Fusion Builder Live. Fusion Builder Live lets you see what the front end of the website looks like, and you can edit that way. I, however, prefer to use the Fusion Builder version because I find that it's a little easier. I mean, what I do is I typically open up a separate window that has the demo version of the website open so I can look to see what the demo looks like live, and then I make the edits in the back end for my site based off of what I'm seeing on this version. We're not going to go that deep into it for this video, but anyway, I chose the Fusion Builder version, and this is what the Fusion Builder version looks like. And this is where we can add our pre-built page. So first things first, we want to go ahead and name our page. I'm just going to name this Test 2. Okay. And what's going to happen is WordPress is going to generate a permalink right here. So this would be the URL if we wanted to send somebody directly to this page. It's not saved right now at all. It's not published, none of that. You can see over here that these are the options. So if we want to save it as a draft, we'll click here. But if we end up hitting publish, it would publish the page immediately. You could always change that by clicking here. Any of these options, you click edit and it gives you more options. Again, not going that deep into it in this video. Let's go ahead and create our page. So in order to create a new page, so we're on our new page, we've named our new page, we have a permalink for our new page. Now we want to apply the layout that we want for this page. We're going to go down here into this section and we're going to add a pre-built page. Now we have a couple options. You could actually paste the URL from a demo page from Avada. I rarely do that. Instead, I typically go in and I will select a demo this way. Now over here are all of the demos that Avada has. So technically, even though we're editing in the Avada Classic, even though we're using the Avada Classic demo for our overall site, if there was a page on one of the other sites that we wanted to use for our site, you could use that. You could grab any of these. Remember, when you buy an Avada license, you have access to all of the demos, regardless of which one you choose to use. So keep that in mind. But for us, we are going to go ahead and choose Avada Classic. And when we do that, it opens up all these options for all of the main pages that are part of the overall Avada Classic theme. And we can choose any of these to be the layout for our page. And so for purposes of this, I am going to load the Our History page. Okay. And then it's going to pop up this warning. It says importing a single demo page, remove all other page content. So basically, if you had started editing this page already, everything that you did would go away when you loaded this on. So it's best to do this from the beginning versus, editing the page and putting content and pictures on and then deciding that you want to add this page. If that were the case, it would be better for you to just completely create a new page versus trying to tweak the one that you're on. Okay, so we are going to hit OK. Takes just a moment, and voila. All of the information that was, and the layouts, the pictures, the content boxes, everything that was part of that particular demo page is now on our page. So now we can go in and edit the sections however we want. We don't have to, of course, leave it as they have it. We can switch things around, we can add things, but instead of starting from scratch, we now have a basis to start doing our work. So that is how you add a demo page to a new page that you're creating for your website. All right, guys, don't forget to save. You could go ahead and save this draft. I'm not going to do that because I'm not going to keep this page for the site. But if you were, you would want to save the draft, and then you could continue editing your page. All right, guys, that's it for this go round. I will talk to you soon. Bye.